નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is part 14 of standard 5th mathematics and the name of the chapter is chapter 4 parts and wholes. Okay, by this time we are on the page number 68. On which page number? 68, and in which the topic is sleeping beauty. The topic is sleeping beauty. So look on the page number 68, sleeping beauty. First of all, let's read this and then we'll understand it. Have you heard of Kumbhakarna, the brother of Ravan? He is famous for sleeping for half a year. आपको कुंभकर्ण के बारे में आप जानते ही हैं, रामायण जानते हैं, है ना? And he was brother of Ravan, and he was sleeping for half a year, continuously for 6 months. Okay, most people sleep about 8 hours a day. Then what part of a day is it? देखो, ज्यादातर people 8 hours सोते हैं. For out of 24 hours they need to sleep 8 hours. तो 8 hours जो है वो 24 hours के कितना पार्ट हुआ, एक ये ढूंढना है. Then so what part of year do they sleep? तो एक दिन के जितना भी पार्ट हुआ तो एक ईयर का कितना पार्ट हुआ. And a person 60 years old must have slept for blank years. That is what we are going to discuss today. Okay. Now, see, let's see here. Most people sleep about 8 hours a day. Then, what part of a day is it? Now, it is 8 hours, so we should convert day, one day into hours. So, I can write one day is equal to 24 hours. Isn't it? Now, see. 24 hours is equal to 1 day, therefore 8 hours is equal to, then 8 multiplied by 1, 8 multiplied by 1 divided by 24, okay, and is equal to 8 3 okay, so it is 1 upon 3. So it is 1/3 part of the day. 8 hours is what? 1/3 part of a day. मतलब एक दिन का देखो डेली 8 घंटे सोता है, तो अगर if he is sleeping for 1 year, then also 1/3 part ही हुआ. एक बरस का भी 1/3 पार्ट ही होगा, क्योंकि डेली वो सोता है 1/3 पार्ट, 8 hours, that is 1/3 पार्ट डेली होता है. तो पूरा बरस वो 1/3 पार्ट ही सोएगा ना. तो एक बरस के लिए अगर हमें ढूंढना है, सो व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ ईयर डू दे स्लीप, तो एक बरस का भी 1/3 पार्ट ही होगा. ठीक है, therefore 1/3 पार्ट of a year is equal to, now 1 year is equal to 366 days. हमें पता है 1 year is equal to 365 days, but if it is leap year then it is to be 366 days. यहाँ पे एक कैलकुलेशन में इजी गोइंग रहे, इसलिए मैंने 366 डेज रखे. ठीक है, सो एक बरस के कितना पार्ट, तो 1/3 पार्ट ऑफ द ईयर उतना ही होगा ना. देन 1/3 पार्ट ऑफ द ईयर, दैट इज 1 year is equal to 366 multiplied by 1/3 part, isn't it? So if I divide this, then it will be 122. So it is 122 days. तो एक बरस में एक आदमी 122 दिन, जितने भी आवर्स है 122 दिन तो सोता ही रहेगा. ठीक है, देन a person 60 years old मस्ट हैव से ब्लैंक ईयर्स। अब देखो 60 ईयर्स है, 100 ईयर्स है, लेकिन ही यूज टू स्लीप फॉर 1/3 पार्ट, है ना। तो 1/3 पार्ट of 60 years is equal to 60 multiplied by 1/3, so it is 20, so is equal to 20 years। मतलब कि if a person is aging 60 years and if he sleep 1/3 part of a day or 8 hours a day, then in 60 years he must have slept for 20 years। 60 बरस में से 20 बरस तो वो सोता ही होगा, ठीक है। सो द आंसर इज 20 years। Like that you should find out, and let's discuss the next one। Hello students, now please come open the page number 69. Open the page number 69 of your mathematics textbook, okay, in which there is Kirti's shopping list. Kirti's shopping list is there, can you see that? In which there is an exercise, so let's complete this exercise. Look at the yellow price list. You can see here there is a yellow price list, which is I already note down over here. It is there. Now, how much does 2 kilograms of tomato cost? So let's find out how much does 2 kilograms of tomatoes cost. Now, the cost of tomato is 12 rupees. Okay, so here let's answer the cost of 2 kilo 1 kg tomato is equal to rupees how many? 12 rupees 12. Therefore the cost of 2 kilogram is equal to, you know very well, it should be 2 multiplied by 12 is equal to rupees 24. Okay, and let me note down over here, is equal to rupees 24. So cost of 2 kilogram tomato is rupees 24. Now, how much does 1 kilogram of tomato cost? Sorry, how much does 1/2 kilogram of tomato cost? See, this is regarding tomato only. So same way we will write over here the cost of 1 kilogram is equal to rupees 12. Therefore, the cost of 1/2 kilogram is equal to 12 multiplied by 1/2. Rupees 12 multiplied by 1/2 is equal to rupees 6. Is equal to rupees 6. So the cost of 1/2 kilogram tomato is equal to rupees 6. That we come to know. Now Kiran wants 2 kilogram and 1/2 kilogram. In Gujarati, in Hindi we can say 2.5 kilo. मतलब कितना? 2 kilogram and और दूसरा 1/2 kilogram. 2.5 kilo. 2.5 kilogram of tomato. How much will it cost? Then let's write answer. The cost of 2.5 kilogram tomato is equal to See, if 2.5 kilogram tomato is equal to what? Cost of 2 kilogram tomato plus cost of 1/2 kilogram tomato, है ना? So 2.5 kilogram tomato is equal to what? Cost of 2 kilogram tomato, है ना? And what is the cost of 2 kilogram tomato? Rupees 24. So rupees 24 plus cost of 1/2 kilogram tomato. And what is the cost of 1/2 kilogram tomato? 6 rupees plus rupees 6. So is equal to 24 plus rupees 6 is equal to rupees 30. So what it will be the cost of 2 kilogram and 1/2 kilogram of tomato? It will be rupees 30. I hope you must have got this idea. Now we will complete this exercise in the next part. Okay, by this time we are finishing our part up to this only, and we will complete this exercise in the next part. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.